In this video you learn how to create a photo gallery in your forms using relations. In this example we'll have a child layer with surveyed photos that are linked to a parent layer with park polygons. Let's add a new layer to survey photos. I create a new GeoPackage layer. I'll store it in my Mergin Maps project. I'll call it child photos because it will be a child layer in our relation. The geometry type is point, and I add a photo field which will store the paths to the photos. I also add a foreign key UUID, which is necessary to link it to the parent. In the project properties, we're going to set the new relation. Under Relations, click Add Relation, give it a new name. I call it Park Photos Relation. And for the parent I choose Parent Park with the UUID, and for the child layer I choose Child Photos with the foreign key UUID. Click OK. Click again OK to close the dialog. Now let's configure the widgets in the layer properties. Click right on Child Photos and go to Properties. Let's first check if the foreign key is correctly configured with the relation reference. That is the case. Then we can set up the photo widget. And we change the widget type here to attachment. And we need to store the relative paths. We also need to change the integrated document viewer to image. In this way, the widget will show up as a gallery in your relation. Now we can save the project and synchronize it so we can see the result in the Mergin Maps mobile app. In this Mergin Maps project I've taken photos in the parks. Let's check in the park which photos are taken there. And here I see a gallery. And if I tap on the other polygon of Park B, I can also see a gallery of photos taken there. If I tap on a point where a photo was taken, I can see here the picture and in the foreign key to which park it's linked. So in this video you've learned how to create galleries in your mobile phone app using relations.